In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Docs to n8n. If you're looking to efficiently organize and automate your document-related tasks using n8n, then this is the perfect video for you. We're going to walk through the entire process to ensure that by the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Google Docs with n8n. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to open your workflow in n8n. If you haven't set up a workflow yet, or if you're new to n8n, don't worry. Just log into your n8n account and create a new workflow, or simply access any existing workflow that you wish to use. The interface is quite user-friendly, and you'll immediately see the workspace where your automation magic happens. Once you've opened your workflow, the next step is to add a new node. To add a node, look for the Add Node button, which is usually prominently displayed in the workflow editor. Clicking on this button will open up a window where you can search for various nodes available. In the search bar provided, type in Google Docs. This will filter the options and help you quickly locate the Google Docs node. Once you see it, go ahead and add the node to your workflow by clicking on it. This addition makes it a part of your workflow process, enabling you to define the actions you want to perform with Google Docs. The Google Docs node supports several operations which are integral to document handling. Some of these operations include creating a document, getting a document, and updating a document. So what does each of these operations do exactly? Well, let's break it down a bit. Creating a document is exactly what it sounds like. This operation allows you to generate a new document directly within your Google Docs account through n8n. It's perfect if you need to automate the creation of reports, summaries, or any standard templates you regularly use. Next up, we have the Get Document operation. This feature is a lifesaver when you need to retrieve information from an existing Google Doc. It allows you to pull the content from a document and use it in subsequent nodes within your workflow. Whether you need specific data or just want to back up the document content for processing, this operation has you covered. Lastly, there's the Update Document operation. As the name implies, it allows you to make alterations to an existing document. This could include adding new content, amending existing text, or even automating regular updates to shared documents. The Google Docs node thus opens a wide range of options to automate and manage your documents effectively. By following these steps, you'll seamlessly integrate Google Docs into your n8n workflow, enabling you to automate document-related tasks efficiently. Don't hesitate to explore each operation further to best suit your organizational needs. Thank you for joining us today,